How's it going, everyone? Good morning on the Eastern Standard Time. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. The market's about to open in about 28 minutes. I want to go over Tesla as we coming in. It's up pre-market 1.7%. As we know, I made a video before, yesterday. I am not in, I have not shorted Tesla. I'm not in puts yet. But I'm telling you, it is looking good, and I love to see this little pre-market up here to give even better opportunities. And yeah, let's go over it. This is, like I said, this is looking amazing, guys. We are at one, two, three, four, five candles, not touching this EMA 5, which is my purple band here. That is, relatively really long for a bigger cap stock not to do that. So even if we touch the purple band, it's at 221. It is going to fluctuate up. As you can see, it went up from 209 to 221. So it'll probably go to probably 230 as the market opens. But the price is going up. So that's why it's doing that. So we have a couple scenarios we can have here. We're going to hit the EMA 5 soon. So you can make, pretty fast money on puts, which is right in here where my cursor is, the EMA 5. Um, can it bounce from that EMA 5 and go up some more? Yes. So once it hits the EMA 5, a lot of the times it does go a little bounce, but then it starts to head to the EMA 10 and the EMA 20. But as you can see, we were in a very long consolidation bullish pattern. Like, it was just beautiful right in here. You're just consolidating forever. And eventually we break out, and now we're gonna have a new channel. This is right now in just absolute breakout mode. If you go back, you can look at the new prior highs that where this thing has dropped very tremendous is right here. So we're looking at 265 area. We're relatively close to that, and that's really what you got to think. Like, is there much risk, for the bulls? There's tremendous amount of risk for the bulls right here. If you're buying call options, you want to have price to go almost immediately with your direction, depending on the time expiration you have. I'm thinking about getting, some time expiration. I want at least 3 months out. So if the price does these little moves of 2% up, it's not like a big deal against me. Yeah, it hurts the option, but it's not like a weekly where it just like wrecks it and you kind of move up. So I want to see what we're gonna do here. I personally like it for a put setup. We have a very high K. We're at 92.22, which is the bottom indicator, that yellow line there. My stochastic, I never seen it get like, close to 100. 94 to 95 is like really high, and we're probably going to reach that. Yeah, the main thesis for me is a correction. Am I going to say it's going right back to the channel where it's consolidating? No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying we're going to have a big crash where Tesla just, loses all of it. But I am saying, like, the last time we had this breakout was way back here in June 15th, 2023, and actually here's some in July. So not a coincidence, right? Back in July, we're having these pumps. And last time we saw it, we had this big upper band move right in here. Price, right up in here. Price immediately went back to the EMA 5. Would have made some decent gains here. Back up here for more entries, and price quickly swept down and hit the EMA 20, and then it decides to go back up. But over time, this went way back down now. And here was the buying opportunity for the bulls as it goes back up, and then it goes back down, and it gave a very nice buying opportunity right in here, and then right in here at the lower band, as you can see. But yeah, we're trying to play. Obviously, Tesla works better for the bulls. It rarely gets close to the lower band. When it does do that, you can see how predominant the bulls love to bring this back up, because everyone loves Tesla. If it dips, everyone's like, I'm buying Tesla. And so that's really what happens is, as you can see, all the times this thing gets anywhere close to the lower band, the price just shoots way back up. And it's one of the best long-term investments. So I will not take that from you guys. I'm just saying, expect a correction. You can make massive money on puts. I did this same type of setup with NVIDIA. NVIDIA was going up pre-market. It was showing, really big signs of strength. And then when the market hit throughout the day, it just plummeted, right? Like, fast. So we're not, nobody knows exactly when something's going to dump or exactly when something's going to pump. We take educated guesses. What is the probabilities of being a bear versus a bull? And that's all I'm saying. If the probabilities of me being a bear is better than a bull, I'm going to take it. Could this go up another 5%? Absolutely. Tesla will amaze you guys. It's the biggest short squeeze on bears for the bigger cap stocks. But I also seen this thing dump really fast. So you guys take the guesses. Whatever system you're using. As for me, we are at the upper band. We have time distance of the EMA 5, which is up in here. I did not take it on this candle, and I did not short it on this candle, and I will be looking for puts on today, and I'll be holding them out till we hit the EMA 5. Till we hit that EMA 5, which is this purple band here, then yes, I'll take my puts out, and I'll probably be up quite a lot because that's a big move down. So the main thing is to accumulate and wait for that move down, have some expiration, and that's really what's going to save your butt. So yep, that is. I'm going to show you the weekly. We are not like extremely overextended because of the weekly. I've seen Tesla hit the weekly up in here. If that ever happens, it's really overextended. Like you can see right here, we can do that, and then look at the big sell-off if it does it on a weekly. Weekly just means more predominant signal. Like if you ever see that, it's really dangerous, and usually Tesla will, it will, in time just sell off. As you can see right here, weekly sells off, weekly sells off dramatically. We just don't know how big the sell-off will be, right? Because look at this weekly, goes here and sells off. So, yeah, but we always use the daily time frame for more precise entries, and then I'm going to use the 5-minute time frame to see are we going to get this upper band bounce on the or the upper band sell signal, like right in here. As you can see on the 5-minute, we get this upper band and then it sells off immediately, and that's a really great way to get really precise entries. If Tesla here gets to the 5-minute, that would be not a bad idea to buy some puts. Instead of just immediately buying it at a random entry, because Tesla could easily pump up to here and then you get a very clear entry of puts. And the same thing with buys, you want to buy it down here at the lower band. So yep, that's the inclusion. I'm still sticking with my bear thesis for a correction. Do I know how big the correction is? No, but I do think we can hit the 5, and we might even hit the EMA 10. I would not be surprised. The EMA 10's at $208. So do not be surprised that. And we have a big resistance way back up here in the 265 range. So do be careful with that. So that includes it. Happy trading, everyone. If you guys want to join my premium Discord, it's always there for you guys to join. You can see my system, my high win ratio of how I win over 95%. The link's going to be down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. And it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you join it, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. We have thousands of members doing the same tactic of doing this system of how do you catch tops and bottoms. It's impossible to get the most precise top, but I guarantee you can get very close to it. We have server shop up here in the top left if you want to choose your membership. So if you do it, just, you can be a swing trader or a day and swing trader. The day and swing trading plus gives you access to all my education, future knowledge that is exclusive only for Discord members. And for $12 a month, you can unlock all these channels, which give you swing trade alerts, day trade alerts sent right to your phone. And it's really nice, guys. I think you guys are going to really love this service. You even get my RTK journals to see my win ratio of, it is highly successful. I've been doing this for a while. I'm always improving it. I'm always trying to learn because there's no one perfect in trading, but I really think this is one of the best trend reversal strategies of where you're not just buying random lows or shorting, random tops. You know exactly what your game plan is, and you have the confidence to back it up with a high win ratio. So if you guys want to join, do click on the Day and Swing Trading Plus if you want to join that. Do it on your computer. It's slightly cheaper than on your phone because you avoid the iOS fee. And I'm freaking hyped, guys. The bell's about to start, so I want to get this video set up. Tesla's up 2% pre-market, and as you can see, we're probably getting close right in here to the upper band on the 5-minute. I'd be loving to see that. And I also have all the education if you want to see my exact setup and I get your chart to look like mine. It's very nice to see how price moves in waves. Price will usually get up here and it gets shorted. Just like when I did my day trade options, I bought puts for Tesla for a 0 DTE, and guess what happens is Tesla goes plummeting down. And that's the same theory that we're using on a daily time frame, but a daily time frame is more significant. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Here's Tesla. Take it how you want it. I know when something's going up a big, a lot, every sheep is following it. People don't think it can go down, and I get that. People like to have confidence, follow the herd, but sometimes you got to take a step back and say, okay, I'm not a sheep herder. I know my system. I know what's happening. This is red flags. Can it go up? Absolutely. The market can do whatever it wants, but it comes down to probabilities, and that's what we're playing, guys. So I hope you guys to see you in the Discord. Peace out. Happy trading and love you all.